Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make chicken tikka curry. Very easy recipe. Anyone can make it under 10 minutes. So now I start my processing. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you. So now I will make my preparation. So first of all, I take one roaster chicken and I can give some 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, haldi powder. Then I put some salt, 1 tablespoon salt. You can give less, maybe a little bit more. It doesn't matter. So now I can mix with my hand. So all mix, and then you don't need to marinate long time, about 2-3 minutes marinate, 5 minutes marinate is okay. So stay tuned because my this recipe is very quickly, under 10 minutes, under 5 minutes. So those who are young people, single people, they can make it very easy. You can make it under 10 minutes. So I put some olive oil, and now I need to this old chicken I need to little bit fry. So less oil, I use very less oil, and I fried this one. So about 5 to 7 minutes, not much. The baby chicken, roaster chicken is very soft, so you don't need to much cook. So I use maybe 3-4 minutes altogether. Look at my color, the chicken. So very nice, not too hard. It's the soft. So you can see. So almost done, my chicken almost done. Now I use a ready-made sauce. So I can make this sauce. You can see my another video how can make sauce. Today I will make ready-made sauce because I challenge this recipe, this chicken tikka curry, uh, less than 10 minutes. So I use all together maybe 7-8 minutes. I make all curry. So now my curry is ready, almost ready. I put some tikka masala curry. You can find. I buy from Iceland. So I use one jar, one boyam, and one and a half boyam. So you can use one boyam, two boyam. So one chicken, I think is one boyam is enough. So I put some extra. So I mix it nicely. You can mix, yeah, like this. And after mix, then you can cook another 2-3 minutes because sauce already ready-made sauce. I use the ready-made sauce. So very nice color. Look at this, the color. Anyone can make it under 10 minutes, especially those who are single person, student. So you can make. Sometime your wife not home, they're going holiday or their parents house, so you can make yourself. Very easy recipe, and anyone can make it. You don't mess up your kitchen. So you don't need to cut the onion, garlics, etc, etc. So you don't need anything. Just bring one jar, one boyam from Iceland, and one chicken, and small piece. You cut the small piece the chicken, and then mix it. That's it. So very tasty and very nice. I hope you can enjoy this my recipe, because when I make this recipe, My children love this curry. Subhanallah. So very easily you can make it by yourself. Look at this, the color. Very nice color. Subhanallah. Yes. Very nice. So after 2-3 minutes cook, when you see the hot, properly hot your masala, your sauce. Now I can give you some coriander leaf. So anyone like coriander, then you can give some coriander uh, on top. Yeah. So on top some coriander. So after you making, you comment my comment box, and if you like my this recipe, you can share it to your friend and family, and you can comment my comment box. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Is very simple, very easy. Anyone can make it. You don't need to mess up your kitchen. You don't need to 1 hour. You don't need to spend 1 hour time in your kitchen. Under 10 minutes, you can make it. I can give challenge. This chicken make it only 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. Okay, I hope you like my video. Very simple, very easy, less time, and very cheap visual. Only one chicken and one jar of sauce, and spend only 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, you can make curry for everyone, for your family, your friend. Thank you for watching my this video. You can like, share, and comment. Allah Hafiz. See you soon again.